Hello, everybody.
Hello. Hello.
Jim's excited.
Jim's excited. Where are we, Jim?
We are in Cook's Harbour.
Cook's Harbour,
Newfoundland.
Newfoundland.
Middle of nowhere.
Middle of nowhere. And it was a windy day.
Beware of caribou.
But yeah, we didn't see any though. Or moose.
Or move.
Just the signs.
Just the signs. Yeah, we're up in Cook's Harbour. It's the middle of nowhere. And it was a little on the windy side, yes?
A wee bit.
Wee bit. I looked online, it said constant 30 kilometer an hour with gusts of up to 60 today.
Oh my
So,
God.
I felt
Um,
those. I felt those.
Yeah, I'd have to say this is the most tired I've been out of all the days we've been riding. But very cool place to end up. And cool,
Literally.
yeah, little on the chilly side too, yeah. And the
Dry.
and we're dry though, yeah, no rain, so it's good. Not a lot of photos, not a lot of stopping today. Just go. Gros Morne, we went through,
Beautiful.
absolutely stunning, right?
Yeah.
Spend some time there tomorrow on the way back.
Hopefully we'll spend some more time there, yeah, on the way back. I'm not sure what the wind's supposed to be like tomorrow. Hopefully it's not as bad, but it probably will be. Our luck. No. Yes, probably. No. Well, that's it for day 10?
Day 10.
Day 10. Day 10's in the books. All right. Talk to you guys tomorrow.
Good night.
Night.